Everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm trainer first, and I would like to meet my friends. Together with the trainers, one of a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American feline that we have. And according to our trainer, she is Martin. Wow, confident. Her name is Jenny. Together with trainer Davey, say hi! While on the other side, the youngest female South American feline that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the sexy girl. Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Jerry, say hello. Now, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called wings or feathers for in marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term wing-fed may be also translated as wing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? And you know, they're often mistaken like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk right while on land. And that's the fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for Sea Lion friends? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for Sea Lion friends? As you can see, their bodies covered with a thin coat of short, coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerves, fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from playing in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shore, flat rocky cliffs with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky vision. They have excellent swimming abilities, which can easily escape rocky cliffs. Well, check this out. Pretty strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Yeti, the smartest. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using their rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Yeti and trainer JP. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a bird speed up to ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour! That is so fast! How about a round of applause for Sandra? Yeah! Wow, nice light girl! And another one, she deserves that! Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yeah, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by a radar underwater, they are taught to recognize in the void underwater mines. Alright, ladies trainers, are you ready? Well then, now let's march. Ready? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, 3. Now, this time, could you please join our sea line in salute in a count of 3. Everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are all seas deserved, and we cover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, trainers, go first. The ring. Go ahead and get the ring sea lion first. And they got it. How about the run of applause for Yanni and Sandra? Great job, please. And another one. They asking for that. So, trainers, what's next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball bounce. Carefully. Almost there. Careful. Chandian. Fantastic. A little block for Sea Lion Brand. Excellent work, ladies. Now, this time, would you love to see it done first from our Sea Lion foot? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see the dance? Well, here's my song.
Oh, wala kanina yun.
Let's move it! Clap your hands, everybody, come on! And now, throw them to side by side. And simply fantastic! Into the water volley. Listen and turn it. What a beautiful teaching, Sandra. And around the world will go. Round and round. On the other side, round and round. Okay, ladies, show them the boogie boogie. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. Our favorite part, the boogie shaker. Shake those booties. Go, Jerry. Yes, ma. And keep on rolling. Okay, ladies, show them what you got. People of the crowd, ready your camera because this is the best part. Steady, yes? And for the finale. Steady, yes? Now let's go. A round of applause for Sea Lion Brand and the trainers as well for the great dance number this year. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Juanita with your newfound friends, the South American Sea Lion, Yenny and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember what we do here on land, greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive across this environment. So let's keep our surroundings safe. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are steward of our planet and that each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Yenny and Trainer JB, Sandra and Trainer Jerry, All of us here at the Waterca in Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our sea life friends. Bye! And again, thank you for watching.
Abel.
Happy. Happy.
Mga trainer nga, trainer na.
Oh, happy ka ba?